Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Marco van Basten, the Dutch football player. The correct pronunciation is Marco van Basten. Marco van Basten. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the first name and the first part of the third name. Marco van Basten. Marco van Basten. Marco van Basten. Marco van Basten scored 300 goals in his career. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!